Have you heard of Tulsi, a revered herb in Ayurvedic medicine? Discover why this ancient remedy might be the key to unlocking your inner calm and boosting your overall well-being. Tulsi tea, also known as holy basil tea, is a popular beverage with a rich history in traditional medicine. Packed with antioxidants, it may offer various health benefits. Some studies suggest that Tulsi may help combat stress, support immune function by increasing antioxidant levels, and aid in digestion. It may also enhance mental clarity and support respiratory health. Best of all, it's caffeine-free, so you can enjoy its benefits anytime. Ready to experience the calming and revitalizing effects of Tulsi tea? Give it a try and elevate your wellness journey. Steep 1 to 2 teaspoons of Tulsi leaves in hot water around 200 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 to 7 minutes. Enjoy plain or add lemon or honey to taste. You can also experiment with adding milk if you prefer. For more tea inspiration, check out our previous video on the surprising benefits of rooibos tea. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Tea and Coffee Explorers for more tea tips and insights. Cheers to good health!